where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. Today we will be repotting this Monstera deliciosa. It's gone out of control, it's coming out of its pot, and there's hardly any soil in this pot, so we need to repot it. This plant was just a tiny baby not long ago. And over here I have another Monstera which is doing fantastic. Look at this new leaf. Oh my word, this is beautiful. I just repotted this a couple of months ago, so now I have to do this one. So I don't normally stake my Monstera, like have it with moss pole or anything like that. So I have like a stake wire or mesh type of thing. I want to try it and see how that will work out. So yes, this pot will be big enough. I can just carry this Monstera with one hand. Just that's how light it is. Just feels like there's no soil in that pot. I'll do a mixture of compost and potting soil. Just mix it up a little bit. Initially, I think this pole had the Natal ivy, I remember now. So I will stake my Monstera with this thing. I think they call it that moss pole or something like that. So I will stake it with this and see how it goes. I don't have moss, so I'll see how I will go about it. This tiny stick here was holding this plant all these years. Okay, let's see how root bound it is. Hopefully it's not too bad. Let's see. This aerial root, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm gonna plant it with it. That's why it was so light. I knew there was no soil in this pot. The roots look so healthy and beautiful. They are like nice and white, so they look very healthy. I thought I could have this root go into this hole, but it's not working out. This is becoming a disaster. I don't know what I'm doing. I went ahead and filled the pot with soil. Now I'm trying to knock this pole mesh thing with a hammer to balance it out. I will tie the plant to this pole to hold it. So I decided to fill it up with soil and it's just messy. So what I'll do, I will fill it up with petals so that it will look neat and presentable, and the roots can always creep into there if they need to. But I must say the plant is looking more upright and it looks more presentable. Water in the plant. I want to see if I water into this mesh, what will happen. Looks like the soil is soaking down, so it's not holding. So I will need to have another structure go into this thing. Disaster Monstera repotting done. The next plant I have is a pygmy date plant, also known as a phoenix. It is also known as a Phoenix rubelleni. It's a dwarf date palm. It's a slow growing palm, but I want to grow it here on my balcony, but eventually I will take it to the village garden. So I want to enjoy it while I still have it here. So I'm gonna have it in this, I think it's 28 centimeter pot. I'll do the same mixture, compost and potting mix, well draining potting mix. I love palms, especially the ones with edible fruits like date palm and jelly palm. So I want to start having my own collection. I might need to take some of the soil out. This just gave an extra lift to the balcony space. The next plant I have is a viburnum. This particular shrub can go up to 6 meters, has a rounded or slightly spreading growing habit. I will also take it to the village soon, so I just want to enjoy it while I have it here. Viburnum thrive in areas with full sun or partial shade in South Africa. Prefers well-draining soil. There's water in our plants. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon.